Silver against US dollar. This week has risen in value. We can see after the price formed a strong bullish candle in the previous week. I have mentioned that I am expecting the price will reach this area of resistance. The price has done that in the 3 days, and we can see that the price formed a bullish breakout on a Wednesday. On a Thursday has been confirmed as a bullish breakout, as a valid one, where the price did not return back below this area of support. Friday was not available. We can see that, but the market was closed, so there is no movement on the Friday. What we can expect for the next week we'll see, but the weekly time frame currently has closed as a bullish. We can see that pretty clear here, and we have a monthly. Currently it is still bearish, but we have around 2 weeks until this month close, so this candle could close as a bullish again, because we have still here a bullish breakout in the previous month. We have potentially that the price will reach higher price levels. As it currently looks, the price will try to reach higher price levels, which means 33.85 resistance level, and the daily time frame shows me a bullish breakout above very important resistance level, which means again rising in value. Now for the next week, what I am expecting, I am expecting the price will try to reach higher price levels, which means the price will try to reach an area 33.027 and making a bullish breakout. But let's see how the week will start. On a Tuesday, when the market opens after the holiday, we'll see how the market will open. Will it open with a gap or without a gap, and how the market will react around this area of support. For now, the daily time frame shows me a bullish breakout, suggesting further rise in value. So we'll see how the price will behave on the 4-hour time frame when the market opens. If there is any bullish breakouts or bearish breakouts on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, feel free to check the premium analysis. Inside that group, I shared the breakouts during the week with the traders. So the link will be below in the description. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.